Hi, I'm Hamad Masuni. I'm 22 and I live in Egypt.
I currently live in Nigeria. I would like to share my story on Coursera.
Hi everyone, I teach English in Pakistan.
Hello, my name is Amel. I live in Algiers, capital city of Algeria.
My name is Khalid Al-Turkumani.
Used to work as a project controller, which is like less than a project manager. Then I started taking some courses, specialized courses on Coursera. I was showing what I have learned by applying this at the work, and like my manager right away, he assigned me a project to manage, and this is a great improvement at my career.
Taking the course on the age of sustainable development by Jeffrey Sachs benefited my career so much and impacted my life as a whole. To apply for a second master's course, this time in climate change development and policy at several universities, and I received an offer.
Teach English Now, TESOL specialization by Arizona State University. So the course was simply amazing. They really inspired me.
I got qualified to go to study at Kelly School of Business for a scholarship.
I took many courses, and most of them were writing courses. Coursera's courses helped me to realize my dream.
And confidence is a very important thing, especially when we are migrating to a new country. I believe this is an amazing gift that I ever got on my life. Thank you.
What I can say, I'm speechless to thank Coursera for giving me such opportunity.
So I can attribute the part of my success in that the online courses, I was able to carry on these online courses at home, even while nursing a baby, and Coursera gave some sort of financial aid. This expanded my horizon and made me an interdisciplinary researcher. Thank you.
I will continue to learn and work as much as I can to better my writing, to better my speaking, to better all the skills I have, and do the best to try to eradicate illiteracy and help children to read.
I'm planning to start an initiative to help people in Egypt to learn in more interactive ways. To sum this up, I love Coursera because it gives me hope that tomorrow could be better with knowledge. Thank you.